Marusinchana, Arya Magical Marusinchana, DTI, Shumoga. So today I am here to share the reviews of day 2 workshop of Marusinchana training. So before going to share the reviews of that, I will take you all to devotional words. I will now my co-RJ dynamic Deepa will take us to the worshipful word. Please, Deepa, can you?
ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಮಾಡುವರು ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಮಾಡುವರು ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಬಡವನಯ್ಯ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಬಡವನಯ್ಯ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಮಾಡುವರು ಎನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇ ತಕ್ಕ ದೇಗುಲ ಎನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇ ಕಂಬವಯ್ಯ ಎನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇ ಕಂಬವಯ್ಯ ಎನ್ನ ದೇಹವೇ ದೇಗುಲವಯ್ಯ ಎನ್ನ ಶಿರವೇ ಹೊನ್ನ ಕಳಸವಯ್ಯ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಮಾಡುವರು ಸಾಗರ ಕೈವುಂಟು ಜಂಗಮ ಕೈವಿಲ್ಲ ಸಾಗರ ಕೈವುಂಟು ಜಂಗಮ ಕೈವಿಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ದೇವ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ದೇವ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಮಾಡುವರು ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಮಾಡುವರು
Wow, mind blowing. So melodious song. You took us to the devotional word. Thank you, Deepa. Start start your day with a thought-provoking idea. Nourish your mind with the thought. Now I connect humble answer to nourish your mind with the thought. Please, Hamsa madam.
Thank you, Ajay Sarika. Good morning, everyone. Every day has to be very thoughtful and must be pleasureful, which will be continued by a very thoughtful of the day by our person. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. That means, remember, having confidence and faith in yourself and your abilities can take you a long way. Keep pushing forward, stay positive, and know that you have the power to achieve your dreams. Thank you, everyone, and over to Ajay Sai.